Hello, here's a quick tutorial on how to navigate Google Drawing for your Explorer poster. So when you go to your assignment on the Explorer poster, you'll be able to click on the template and you'll see this. I put in a whole bunch of different text boxes. You can click on the words and you can see everything that's a text box, okay? So you have some choices. The text box, whoops, if you move them, you can just move them back like that. The text boxes tell you exactly what you need on the poster. So for example, you're going to put the name of your Explorer. So delete this. We don't want it to say name of Explorer on your poster. That would be kind of weird. So then you can go ahead and type in, let's say you did John Cabot. Okay. So you would type in the name of your Explorer. You can play around with the font. You can highlight it, change the font. You can change the color. You can make it larger, make it smaller, whatever you'd like to do, as long as it's clear that the name of your poster is kind of like the first focal point, so we know what it's going to be about. You're also going to need an image of your Explorer. So in here, you could potentially delete this text box. So we could delete it, and then we could go up here to this little image icon and search the web. So you're just going to type in John Cabot. Oops. Make sure you spell it correctly. And you're going to look and try to find a picture that you like that shows John Cabot. Be mindful because you can tell that there are a bunch of different pictures, and this image right here clearly is not from an explorer from the 14 or 1500s. So just be a little mindful. You might want to look in your book and try to find one like that, but maybe we click this one. Okay. And then once you get your picture in, you can kind of move it however you would like. You can resize it, make it big, make it small, however you want. Okay. You're also going to be putting in an image of a flag. So whether your explorer sailed from Spain or England or the Netherlands, you're going to have to find what that flag looks like. Put a picture of the flag. You can erase these words if you'd like. Delete the text box altogether, and then you actually have to name the country. So the sponsor is looking for the country name. If you want to add the king or queen, I think that would be awesome, but you're not required to. So right here, you would type, you can leave sponsor. You might want to make it fancier. Maybe you want to bold it or underline it, change the color. Okay, and then you could write Spain, England, whatever country your explorer sailed for. For date of exploration, I want you to put the dates that are in your packet so that, like whatever dates people are doing John Cabot, so I don't want to give all the answers away, but you'll put that time frame in there, and then 1 to 3 sentences describing where your explorer explored in the New World. So did they go along the coast of Florida? Did they explore, the northeast part of Canada? So just a few sentences describing that. So you'll probably have to look back in your book for that. Positive and negative impacts. You already filled that out on your Explorer research sheet, so pull that up and use those positive or negative impacts, and then you can also add some interesting facts. Once you're done with this, if you want to make it your own, like sometimes I like to add background colors to my text boxes to make it look nice. You can make sure you add your interesting facts. You can add extra pictures if you want, and you can kind of make it look really neat and nice. And if you want to move these text boxes around, you certainly can. If you run into any issues or problems, let me know and I can certainly help you. One other trick is that Google Drawing, it lets you like layer things. So you can see like this picture is covering John Cabot. If I wanted it like behind it, you can right click or 2-finger tap and you'd go to order and you would go send to back. And then so pictures can be like layered and they can cover certain things if you want them to. Okay, let me know if you have any questions and good luck. I cannot wait to see the finished product.